said yeah and a few.
Have you ever wondered how evolution is ever responsible for life on Earth? Or if you thought it was anything else? Thinking about the universe being started or exists can have you thinking for hours. Scientists know all of the answers, but they cannot give us most of the answers we need. But most importantly, I will tell you my part on why evolution is responsible for life on Earth. According to independent.com, scientists say that environment plate tectonics, which is really, really important, may be responsible for life on Earth. Before anyone else forgets in this situation, my definition was responsible. Responsible means having an obligation to do something or having control over or care for someone or part of one's job or vote. The plate system is about 4.5 billion years old. They even compared Venus and Earth as sisters. They both are about the same size and are both built out of rocks. In this Earth, us humans and animals and insects need nitrogen and oxygen. That is exactly why we recycle materials. According to scientificamericans.com, heat and gravity were two of the main things that were keeping the Earth's shape and posture. Scientists says that Venus, Mars, Mercury, and Earth carry a lot of dust from recent reviews. Earth even kept growing up to 120 million to 150 years ago. A fun fact that I looked up about how evolution is responsible for life on Earth is a quarter of white American Catholics, which is 26% specifically, say that they do not believe in evolution of any kind. Most of the religious groups in the U.S., white Protestants, are most likely to reject evolution. And to me, that is very, very interesting. According to PMFIAS.com, homology is a common ancestry. For example, homology is the wing of a butterfly and bird. We as humans are different and animals, but have similar things in common. Scientists say slowly single-cell organisms become multicellular in life forms. In 500 million years ago, invertebrates were formed and active. Us humans and animals are all on this earth for a reason. According to Britannica.com, more than 2 million species of organisms have been named and described, and have more becoming discovered to this day. The temperature and fungi have everything to do with how the universe came from nothing, just like the temperature. Temperature and fungi are everything to do with how the universe came from nothing, and how the evolution is responsible for life on Earth. The temp could go so high or so low to the point where us animals and humans can kill us. Fungi helps with bacteria. For counter arguments, it's very important for us to talk about their side as well, just because it's an argument and we have our own opinions. Now, I know others will say that all of this is crazy and is nonsense, but if you really think about it, it really makes sense on how evolution is responsible for life on Earth. Some say environment on Earth is varied, or Earth interacts over time with other organisms, but that's really not true. Other organisms react from early life, but with that being said, do you think that you could agree with evolution being responsible for life on Earth?